What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest micro cap plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and like always, I got a banger for you guys in this video. But before we get into that, Meme Coin Daily, 1,080 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, especially if you hold the project we're covering in this video, Dino Lfg. Let's freaking go. But before we dive any deeper into Dino, please be aware I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, every day I take a look at DEX tools to see what's trending on DEX tools, and Dino has been trending consistently, you know what I'm saying, non-stop. The social engagement for Dino has been through the roof. I see a lot of top accounts mentioning Dino. I was scrolling through Twitter one day, I think it was yesterday, a day before, and I saw Crypto Gems mention Dino in the top 10 meme coin list, right? So that's what you like to see in a project. Very base community, very base community that you guys are. You guys are very active, very socially engaged. You just got to keep it that way and push the project to the top, right? We got 613k in liquidity for Dino, 126k in 24-hour trade volume, and just under a $7 million market cap, 3.7k holders. Already great holder distribution. The more holders of a project, the better. And now people are taking profits in a correction once again, but the market overall is looking like it's about to turn bullish, and that could be very great for Dino. When Ethereum does well, I would think that Dino would do well. The price for Dino is just a tad bit above 2 cents mark right now, and who knows what the future could hold for Dino. As long as the team continues to deliver in the community, you guys of the Dino community stay based, stay active, engaged, you grow your community, we could see that $1 Dino in the future because it has a much lower supply compared to other typical meme coins, right? You can't rule out anything in crypto. Nothing is guaranteed though, guys, so always manage your risk and never invest more than you're willing to lose, because when it comes to meme coins, they are extra risky, guys. So it's high risk, high reward, but you just never know what could happen in the future, so never rule anything out at the same time. Now, after the correction starts to slow down for Dino, it more than likely will find a bottom, may dip further, who knows, but this is support right down here at the 0.17 cent mark. More than likely would find support there, then go into an accumulation phase, then move up further with any future catalyst that could happen for Dino. So keep an eye out because it could dip further past the support, guys. But the overall market is looking bullish right now, so who knows, it could continue up further from here. You can't ever rule that out. Just like I said in my previous video, guys, Dino has a lot of memeability, and that's what you have to look for in a meme coin. Is it memeable? It looks very family friendly. The biggest issue with meme coins is lack of utility and use case. Dino is here to fix these issues. Focusing on building a strong community. This is why we plan to hold many games and give our users many crypto tips, which can be found on our Telegram and Twitter on a regular basis. The community of Dino is very active, very socially engaged, and as long as you guys continue to build that strong community, keep growing, you know, the sky's the limit for the project, guys. That's how a lot of meme coins get their success, by their community. Is the community super active, super engaged, doing their best to push forward in no matter the market condition, creating memes, content, supporting content creators, doing their best to let more and more people join their community. That's what you have to look for in a project. So far, the Dino community is doing that. You guys showed a lot of support on my last video, so I appreciate that a lot. Just have to keep that up, keep that momentum, and keep pushing forward, keep growing, never stop. From the official Dino Twitter, they'll have a space tomorrow on the 15th at 11 a.m. that is EST. So very interesting stuff. Make sure you guys tune in, see what plans they have for the project in the future. 78 likes, 22 retweets, very good engagement as well. And right here we have the topics that will be talked about in the upcoming Twitter space: centralized exchanges, marketing, YouTubers, white paper NFT, next AMAs, next utilities for Dino, and more. Dino Lfg, nice to see. Just keep building, keep developing, keep doing your best for the project, and who knows what could happen in the future. Tweet from Frankie, Dino Lfg. Dino Lfg is the pioneer of the LFG meme coin. Since it's not listed on any CEX as yet, market cap 7.4 million. Dino in talks with 5 centralized exchanges now. Very bullish stuff. Okay, big community, always trending on Dex tools. I'm always seeing it trend on Dex tools. Big community. I definitely see the active community of Dino, guys. This was from a Dino holder, and he's getting 46 likes and 11 retweets with a pretty small follower count, 325 followers. So you guys as the Dino community are being super active, and you like to see that. Tweet from Wijaya, check out this emerging low cap gem. Dino is extremely bullish, strong community, has 0 buy and sell fees, staking and buyback / burning, liquidity lock for 1 year, chart is bullish. Hey, I see the activity, guys. I see you guys putting in that work. You love to see that in a project. A strong community will make a successful project. Keep it up, Dino community, Dino fam. You guys keep crushing it. We have a tweet from Dogen, a very legit name in the space, few days ago, 34k followers. I'm telling you, Dino is going to surprise a lot of people with the world-class team behind the project and community rallying the way we do. A strong move to up to 100 million is no way a stretch, and come bull, Dino is positioned for mass retail adoption. Guys, this is a bear market that we're in right now. Imagine if Dino was launched in a bull market, right? But as you guys continue to build and push throughout the bear market going into the next bull market, like Dojin said, we could see mass retail adoption for Dino, and 100 mil market cap is no way a stretch. I remember the last cycle where projects with not even as great communities get into 100 mil market cap like it was nothing, right? So who knows what could happen in the future. So far, future looking very bright for Dino. And we have a tweet from po.eth, very great name in the space as well, 14k followers. Dino has to be one of the strongest charts in this bear market. No LARP, no BS, just a base community with a dev that's been delivering non-stop. Pretty confident this token will break milestones regardless of market conditions. Now, from what I've seen from the Dino team and the community, you guys are very base and putting in that work. Just keep pushing forward. But I really like what I see from the project, guys, like I said in my previous video, and I wish nothing but success for the project. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed, but who knows what could happen with Dino. It could shock the crypto space, you know what I'm saying? So if you hold Dino, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps the channel out. Supporting this video, get it into the algorithm, get new eyes on the project. And if this is your first time hearing about Dino, let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well. Everything Dino and myself will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.